Hi folks, Randy with Guaranty again. Today we're going to look at an Apex by Coachmen in a 21-foot version. Let's go inside and check it out. So I have a 21-foot travel trailer, box length, 24 overall. This has a walk-around front queen bed with a middle wall partition. The TV will spin around and rotate into the bedroom so you can watch it either place. Nice bedroom. It's got an inset head area where reading and lights and glasses and stuff go and be stored and phones can be charged. His and her wardrobe, overhead cabinets, lift up storage under the bed. Really quaint, small, but you have each you have your own side to get in and out and make easy, which is nice. Again, our TV, movie player and the stuff across the front, extra storage. And this little guy has a nice deep slide out that you can make down into a guest bed. It's a pretty big bed. They call it an RV queen size when it's full. Nice window that opens for cross ventilation. You got some cubby hole storage in the corners as well. So you can never do without a bunch of storage. This has solid surface countertops, okay, which is a nice feature. No Formica, so they'll stay looking nice for a long time. We have our double sink. We have our 3-burner sealed burner stove over here. Refrigeration, double door, Dometic, air conditioning overhead, LED lighting pack in this. Super lightweight, super strong. Bathroom across the back. So when the bathroom is across the back, you get the big bathroom. You get the glass shower enclosure with the skylights, which lets light in, plus taller people can have room in it. It's got room around the toilet to sit and do your thing and then finish the business. And this little guy has a special feature on the outside. There's an outside kitchen I'll show you in a second. So it's kind of a small trailer with a slide out and a walk queen bed with a great bathroom. I don't know what else anybody needs. Let's check out the outside. So again, aluminum wheels, outside stereo, power one-touch awning. Has an overhead giant door that you stand underneath, which gives us the big refrigerator instead of the small. A little slide-out cooktop, our hot and cold water, place for utensils and drawers, and a storage area with LED lights. Cool place to be out. Some people will still bring their little stuff, their smokehouse or their big stand-up barbecue, but this kind of acclimates and complements each other out to have a prep area, which is nice. Plus you use this if it's raining and you're out of the rain. Again, spare tires across the back. We have our outside shower at the rear as well, cleaning up the dog and the grandkids before they pile into the old trailer. And then across the front of this guy, we'll see that we have our pass-through storage with our slam latches. These are called slam latches. You can slam and they lock. Magnetic catches, and then pass-through all the way across the front, extra wide for lawn chairs, etc. Pre-wired for the ZAMP solar, so it's all ready for solar panels. All the wirings, all the labor's been done. Place for 2 batteries, double propane tanks, power lift, fiberglass front cap with LED lights. Super lightweight, 4,300 pounds, small, short, small footprint, very clean lined. Schwintek slide out. It's worm gears on top and bottom for even pull, even take in and out. Frameless bus windows. These are from the motorhome industry, like Monaco Country Coach. No frames, super nice lines, super clean UV20 tinted windows. But just a very small, short, lightweight, compact, great couples coach. Guest room if need be for the grandkids. I'd love to show it to you if you guys got time to come out to the dealership, and I'll be happy to go through all the other Apex lines that we have in stock. Have a super day. Look forward to seeing you.